Hey guys, what's up? I'm Alex, and today I'm going to show you what I purchased during the spring Sephora Vib sale. And I got this in the mail, so it went from April 26th through May 6th, and then I think they did it differently this time. Rouge got to shop like the entire sale, so they got 20% off. Usually it's just like 15% off. They got to shop the entire sale April 26th through May 6th. VIBs got 15% off May 2nd through May 6th, and Beauty Insiders got 10% off May 2nd through May 6th too. So VIBs and Beauty Insiders got to shop at the same time. So I ordered two things online, and one of them came and one of them just shipped today. So I'll just tell you the thing that I ordered because I don't even know what's going to get here. I wanted to try the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Finish Setting Powder, and I ordered it in 2 medium. I've been using the Rimmel London powder, but I think it started to break out my skin because I noticed that every time that I used it, I started to get itchy. I've been really wanting to try the Charlotte Tilbury one because I've heard good things about it, but it's like 45 bucks, so I figured just get it during the sale. So I didn't get the big bag this time because I went a bunch of different times, so I just shoved everything in these 2 small bags. First thing I always get during sale, this is the Origins Ginseng Energy Boosting Gel Moisturizer. I talk about this all the time. So I got the 1.7 ounce one, which is the full size, and this is the 1 ounce one. So there's the difference in the sizes. This should tide me over until the next Ulta sale. And I am actually completely out of this, and I've been using my Josie Maran nighttime cream in the morning, and my skin has really been missing this moisturizer. And I picked up a new beauty blender. This one it has really cute packaging. I think this is like special edition. It says Queen, and I guess you can like reuse this. Usually the packaging is like flimsy, but this is harder, so you can like, I don't know, set it on your vanity or use it like to travel. I usually always get these during the sale because they're 20 bucks for a sponge, but these are like the best sponges in my opinion. And I needed a new concealer because I was using a CoverGirl concealer, and then before that I used a Kiko one. So I was on the hunt for like a new concealer, so I decided to try the Urban Decay All Nighter Waterproof Full Coverage Concealer. I don't even know if this is my shade. I feel like this is my foundation shade, but I don't know if it's my under eye concealer shade because usually I go like 1 shade lighter, but we shall see. The packaging is really nice. So yeah, I'm gonna try this and see how I like it. And then I was gonna get a new foundation, but I got the Estee Lauder Double Wear last time, and I still have like probably like 60% of it. So I wanted to try this actually during last year's sale, but I got the Estee Lauder one. I'm actually almost out of this. This is their original CC cream. I'm using this right now. I like it, but it leaves my skin dewy, and then in the summer it's kind of gross. So I'm gonna finish this, and I don't think I'm gonna purchase this anymore. I think I've used 3 of these. Yeah, I think I'm done with this. So this one is like apparently the same thing, but matte. So this is the oil-free matte version. It has SPF 40 in it, and I got it in the same shade as this, medium. Looks the same. So yeah, I can't wait to try this, see like the difference, because I like this other than the dewy factor. I needed a new blush too. Like, I like that I was getting things that I actually needed. I wanted to try this Bare Minerals Gen Nude Powder Blush. I actually wanted to try the Buxom blush. Online, they were sold out, and then in the Sephora store, I shopped at downtown Summerlin this sale, and they didn't even have Buxom there. This shade looks like the shade I usually wear. I like a subtle blush. Another thing that I ordered online that came before I filmed this haul, this is a NARS pencil sharpener. This is the best pencil sharpener. I have one right now. It's kind of getting gross. I usually pick this up during one of the 2 sales of the year. It's only 6 bucks minus the discount. It's like what, 5 something? I can't do math. My iced coffee melted. I got the Sephora Pro Slanted Buffing Detail brush number 89, and a lot of their brushes are on sale, so if you got them during the sale, they were extra off. So this is like 15 and I got it for 12. I wanted to use this to buff in my contour. It's a really packed brush, and I felt this in the store, so I knew I wanted it. I don't really buy a lot of brushes because I'm really picky about my brushes. Like, they don't have to be expensive, but they have to work for me. So I hope this works for me. And oh, my 2 perks are in here. I love this serum. This is the Lancome Genifique serum. This stuff is so expensive, so I love when I can get this as a perk. I usually use this like around my nose because that's where I get really dry, and this is such a great serum. And then this is the Drunk Elephant Sea Tango multivitamin eye cream. I think I got a marula oil perk before and it lasted a long time, so if Drunk Elephant is a perk, you should take advantage of it because that's an expensive skincare line. Okay, I'm on to the second bag. I've seen this all over YouTube. This brand is Glow Recipe. I think it is made in Asia. I think it is a Korean brand. So there's a small one for $22, and then there's like a bigger one. I don't know how much that one is, so I wanted to try the small one. This packaging feels so like heavy and just like luxurious, and it has a pump and everything, and this stuff straight up smells like watermelon Jolly Rancher. I love the scent of this, and it is, did I tell you what this is? I don't even know what I'm talking about. This is the Watermelon Glow Pink Juice Moisturizer. It's for oily and combo skin, hydrating and soothing. For dry skin, use as a serum. That's perfect for me because I have super dry skin, and this is 0.85 ounces, so almost an ounce for $22. Plus the additional discount. So if I like this, it might be, I don't know, one of my new favorite serums. I also wanted to try their Glow Mist. I've heard good things about it. There's 2.54 ounces in this one. My favorite face mist is the Origins Ginseng Mist, and I can't find that at Sephora. I only can find it at Macy's, and Ulta sometimes has it. This packaging is so weird. That's all I'm gonna say about that. Like watermelon chunks in it or something. Let's try this. I feel like this is not gonna last long, and this is actually pricey for a mist. It's $28, and I feel like you don't get a lot, but I really wanted to try it. So I got that, and then I have been without this for a long time. I've been using other things, and nothing is as good as this. This is a Lancome Bifacil Double Action Eye Makeup Remover, and I asked the girl if she had this, and she gave me the giant one. I'm like, no, the regular size one. This is the regular size one. She had to go in the drawer to get it for me, but this actually lasts a long time. Literally put it on a cotton pad, just a little bit, and like go like this, and all your makeup is off. This is very greasy though, but I feel like because it's so greasy, it just takes off all your makeup. For someone like me who puts on like a lot of eyeliner and stuff like that, it's great because it gets it off. I actually got introduced to this by my sister. My sister always uses it. And I'm almost running out of my Marc Jacobs Undercover Coconut Face Primer. Let me grab it. So there's like enough for like maybe 2 applications. So this is 1 ounce, and this stuff lasts over a year. Like I remember buying that like over a year ago. So yeah, glad to have a new one because it is expensive. It's $44. This is like the best face primer for dry skin. And the last thing I purchased is this Sephora Peppermint Gum Mask. You know, by like the Sephora face mask. A bunch of these, and they're like $7. And the texture of whatever the mask is below it as a display. And this one just feels like rubbery or like kind of like gum, but like without being sticky. It's made in Italy. Usually the Sephora brand stuff is really good. All of it's like under 20 bucks. Apply a fine layer to dry skin and leave for 10 minutes. Then roll off the mask until it flakes, and then rinse with warm water. It says it right here, it's for toning. So this looks really interesting. And that's all I purchased during the sale. I went really practical this time. Thank you guys so much for watching. So if you guys shopped the sale, let me know what you got in the comments below, and I'll see you in my next video.